Hi, this is Bill Schrader with Green Tree Agroforestry Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how I extract balsam poplar seed. What you need are 3 screens of different sizes. The sizes I use on the bottom, I put a 60 mesh screen. In the middle, I'll place an 18 mesh screen, and on top I'll place a 12 mesh screen. I also use just a basic shop vac. What I do with the shop vac is I use it to suck up or to vacuum the seed fluff that I've collected from the trees. Here's a sampling of seed fluff that has been collected from balsam poplar trees about 2 days ago. I picked this off the forest floor, and the fluff had already been removed from the catkins. It's much easier if you do the vacuuming or the seed extraction if the fluff is off the catkins. So what I do is I start up the vacuum cleaner, and I very simply just vacuum the fluff into the shop vac. A little bit like this, and what I'll do, stop the vacuum, open it up, and you'll see that the fluff is inside the vacuum itself, in the canister. So what I do is I take all the fluff that the seeds have been removed from, and I take it out and put it in a refuse pail. What I'm left with now, as you can see in the bottom of the canister, is some seed. The seed that still has some fluff mixed in with it. So what I'll do is I'm going to pour this seed into the screening. So now you can see that the fluff, the extracted seed with a little bit of fluff attached yet, is on the screens. So I'm just going to gently shake this and tap it, allowing the seed to pass through the 18 mesh screen, and then you'll see the clean seed is retained on the 60 mesh screen. The seed can now be stored at minus 18 degrees centigrade in a sealed plastic or foil bag, and then you can sow the seed within about 1 month. Balsam poplar does not have a long seed viability when stored, so I recommend that you sow any collected seed within about 30 days of collection. So that's how you do it. It's very simple. Now you can go out, get your balsam poplar seed, and extract your own.